Let's see. So Lou writes, I'm being sued on 3 accounts for Midland funding. When served, I filed my answers to the court on time, but I've not received any court dates yet since July. Is it because of COVID? It may very well be. I can tell you in Alabama, uh, the courts are all open. Up until recently, there were still some courts that were not holding hearings, at least in person. And actually, there's still a few counties like that. And so some people in those counties are doing Zoom trials or Zoom hearings, but others are not. So what I would do is just call your particular court, the clerk of the court where you were sued, and it says you filed your answers on time. So just that same court, I would just call them, say, hey, you know, assuming this is true, I mean, adjust it accordingly. But just look, I've never done this before. I'm kind of nervous. I was sued in these 3 cases, or maybe it was 3 accounts in one case, whatever it was. Just explain it to them, give them the case number. Okay. Tell them what court it's in. So, like if you're in Alabama, it'd be small claims court, district court, or circuit court. And if you're in Alabama, you can actually reach out to me and we'll look it up for you on the online court system. But you can call the clerk of the court and just ask them, and they'll tell you. And if this is true whether it's COVID or not. If you don't hear anything for a while, I would definitely be calling, because usually they'll just mail out a court notice, just regular mail. And if that doesn't get delivered to you, you don't know about it. And so, I guess it's for budgetary reasons. They just don't send it out by certified mail. So you definitely want to protect yourself and call and check on that. So that would be very smart to do. So best wishes with that. And okay, Lou's in Texas. So yeah, just call your Texas county clerk. I guess it would be the clerk of the court. Like if you're in Harris County or Gregg County, wherever you are, just call the clerk of the court there. And usually they're very nice. My recommendation is don't call Monday at 8 o'clock, or don't call at 5 o'clock or 4:59. Call at 10 o'clock, or let's see, it's 1:45 basically, and I think you're Central Time too in Texas. So this would be a good time to call. Call them at 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock, and they're usually very nice. If you're nice to them, they're nice to you. And I find most people that work in the clerk's office are very good people.